Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm using this Clay Cool from ColourPop palette, and I'm going to start off with this color right here, and it's going to be going onto my crease. I did film my foundation and everything, but I can't simply find the clips. I have no idea. I have so many videos that I need to edit for you guys, and I simply cannot find them. I know I will find them after I upload this video. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this other shade right here, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease as well. So the first shadow I did apply a little bit higher, and then this one right in the crease just to kind of deepen the color a little bit more. And I do like to go back and forth into that shade just to kind of darken it, and then kind of go back with the other first shade and kind of blend everything out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. So you will see me going back and forth till I am really satisfied with the color. Then I'm going to go with a lighter shade. So I'm going to go with this one right here, and I'm going to apply this right onto my lid, making like a little cut crease. I would usually go with concealer just to kind of clean that out a little bit, but I kind of just wanted to do something really quick, so I decided not to do all that. Then I'm going with the darker burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply this right into the outer corner just to kind of give it a wing smoky type of look. And this color, it is so beautiful. I definitely want to use it in another makeup look. Then I'm going to go with my IT Cosmetics mascara, and I'm just going to give it a quick little pull, and then I'm just going to go with this shimmery shade into the inner corner of the eyes. So the same shades I use on the top, I'm going to use at the bottom just to kind of give the same look. Then these lashes that I purchased from this store where I go get my nails done, I have no idea which ones are those, but these are beautiful. I definitely have to go back and get the name because it is beautiful. Then I went with eyeliner. This one is from Rimmel London, I believe. It's a beige color, and then some mascara again, and this is a lip combo. I totally forgot to show how I did it, but anyways, here's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video.